Hello everyone. Let's take a look at Configure One's eCatalog, cart, and checkout functionality. Configure One can be easily set up to allow your customers to browse your products, add them to a cart, and check out with a credit card. Here we are in the eCatalog module of Configure One, where we can browse through the available products by selecting these product categories that have been set up by your company's Configure One admins. Notice how there are tiles for each of the products that display an image of the product, the part number, and a short description. If we want to know more about a particular product, all we have to do is select View More Product Details. Once selected, notice how there are more in-depth explanations about the product, as well as additional images. In this example, there is even a link to a product brochure. After reviewing this product, we can add it to our cart. Notice in this product we have a parts list, multiple images, and a link to an external website rather than a document. In addition to saleable items and spare parts, you can also add configurable items to a cart, where you can either choose a pre-configured combination of options or configure your own. Notice above we have a search bar, allowing you to key in items that you want to search for. You have the option of either searching through the entire catalog or refining your search by selecting Search Within Current Results. If your company has brick-and-mortar store locations or extended sales channels such as dealers or distributors, you can load those locations into Configure One, allowing your users to either search for a location or use their current location to find the nearest store that they can pick up their purchases. Your users can even save a cart and come back to it later, using the Retrieve a Cart tab. Once we have finished adding to our carts, we may either request a quote or order, or we can select the check mark to check out online. After entering in the shipping information, we validate the address to eliminate any possible errors. We also validate the credit card information and calculate tax using our Avalara integration. After entering shipping and payment info, we can submit the order. Thank you for listening. Hopefully you have seen how you can leverage Configure One's eCatalog, cart, and checkout modules to help turn your quote-to-cash process into a competitive advantage with Configure One.